And in today's tutorial, it's going to be the revision of the course MAC225. And we know how this has been done. You're expected to, as you join the stream, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, comment. Use the comment section to participate as the revision commences. All right. So just before we go straight into it, we have, all right, the keynote for this course, which is highly essential and has proven effective and will continue to prove effective. Therefore, is an important resource for you as a student taking this course to get and use in preparing for this course. And also, we have the private class where we take classes consistently throughout the semester, walk you through all your courses, and we have classes back to back. To also join the private class, do well to reach out to me on www.tutorio.com. There's a WhatsApp icon on the top right hand corner, and it takes you directly to my DM, and you can ask me all the questions. With this being said, let's go straight into it. So we have, okay, we have Mark 225. Mark 225, and we have question 1. Please, whenever or whatever time you are watching this stream, maybe after we are done with the class or after we are done with the revision, please, no matter what time or time difference it is from the time of the production of this revision and to the time wherever you are watching it, please, I encourage you to use the comment section to provide answers to all right, all questions being asked. Reason being, it will help you understand, learn, and remember easily what you might come across into this class. It's highly essential. It's a very good strategy, right, for learning. So therefore, it's expected that we all respond to each and every questions. Like I usually say, you don't have to know the answer. You definitely cannot know all the answers. So it is better, all right, to participate, respond, and let's learn together. All right, it is better compared to when you are not saying a thing at all. I think I need to reduce the backlight a bit. Okay, so I think this is better. So now we have question 1. Okay, question 1, we have dash is one of the most difficult issues to define in mass communication. Dash is one of the, all right, most difficult issues to define in mass communication. Okay, one of the most difficult issue to define in mass communication is dash. All right, so we have a question. Please, as you join the stream, it is expected of you to say hello, hi, good evening, and also smash like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, provide answers to questions. So we have a very first question for revision. What is the answer? Okay, the dash good evening, Mr. Shion. It's great to have you on board. You are here to smash the like button, Mr. Shion, and you came a bit late. Yes, wonderful. Thank you for that news. But Mr. Shion, the answer happens to be the first word, all right? The first word of this sentence. Therefore, the first alphabet of the first word should be in capital letter, just like what Mr. Jackson did. Now we have, let's take the next question. In general terms, news is very All right. In general terms, news is very dash and depends. In general terms, news is very dash and depends, all right, on what one thinks. Okay, so we have the next question. In general terms, news is very dash. Please, as you join the stream, do also say good evening, Miss Bridget. She came late. It's good to have you on the stream still. So we have a third question. Yes, thank you for that, Miss Bridget. The Miss Bridget already smashed the like button. Mr. OVO, you're also welcome. Good evening. Broad, okay. Broad, nice try, nice try. In general terms, news is very broad. In general, well, okay, nice try. Let's get more attempts, please. Okay. Well, yes, thank you very much for that. Is relative. Thank you very much for that. All right, it is relative. Okay, thank you for the attempt, though, Mr. OVO. Now, Williams S. All right, William S. define news as an dash unbiased account of the significant facts, all right, of a timely happening. Now let's take this. Question 3. Williams, all right, William S. says news is an dash, okay, comma, on what? Unbiased. All right, and dash unbiased account of significant, okay, facts. Let's just stop here. Significant facts. Please, as you join the stream, do well to say hello, good evening, hi, and you need to participate. This is revision. You're having this exam tomorrow, so it's as good as assuming these are your exam questions and you are attempting them. Like I usually say, do not leave any stone unturned in your exam. Even though you don't know the answer, attend to the ones you know the answers and return to those ones you don't know the answer, and make sure you think of something logical enough to flow with the sentence. So we have a question. Yes, Miss Bridget, wonderful. Thank you for that. But Miss Bridget, you have broken one of our rules. If your answer is in between and towards the ending, if it's not the first word starting the sentence, then your first alphabet should not be in capital letter. It should be in small letter. All right? Accurate. That's it. Now let's take a step further. Now, Western norms and values maintains that bad news is better than dash news. I think I made that too cheap. But let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Western norms and values maintains. So we have Western norms and values maintain, all right, that bad, all right, maintains that bad news is better than dash news. Yes. Thank you very much. I said I made it too cheap. I could have twisted it a little bit, but nevertheless, it's okay. Yes. Western news maintains, Western norms and value maintains that bad news um, is better than good news. It is not for destructive purpose, but it is true. It is very true that good news doesn't spread that much. Bad news spreads very fast, and that's why you see every let's whether a movie, any production, movie, news, anything, the very first thing that is happening is chaos. All right, so it is from chaos to good, then to chaos. Okay, sorry, Miss, not Mr. Sorry, Miss Oval. So it's from chaos. Chaos captures attention. You want to know what could have been the problem, what has happened, what has led to this. So the very first thing you are introduced to is bad news, the chaos, all right, in the movie, and that will make you stay. That's something we call hook. It hooks you. You want to know, okay, how is this chaos being resolved? How did the chaos even started? So that's why it is maintained according to Western norms and values that bad news is better. All right, bad news makes the bad to terrible things makes the news. Good things make the news too, but how many good things do we hear when you tune on to the news station? So we have that as that. So now let's take the next question. Nice. Let's just quickly take this. It says that is why 100 planes take off from a base to a destination, and 99 of them arrived safely, and one crashed. Now, the 99 that traveled safely will not be mentioned or reported, but much noise will be made about one that crashed. So that is it. So now let's take the next question. So we have now the main determinant of what can be considered as news is dash. The main determinant of what can be considered as news is dash. I believe you can see what I have here. Please, for those of us that are here to smash the like button, please let's do that. It's essential we do the needful. Yes, so he's helping us the answer. Okay, the main determinant of what can be considered as news is dash. Yes, thank you for that, Miss Bridget. Thank you very much for that. Interest. Yes. Interest. Okay. Now permit me to raise the board and let's take some more points, some more questions. So basically, for those of us that are not aware of the keynote of this course, it's highly essential we get it. It's real. It is definitely, all right, a good resource, a fortified, all right, resource for us to use in preparing for this exam. So if you haven't gotten yours yet, just reach out to me after this class on www.tutorio.com. And also we have what we call the private class, although for now we no longer accepting students. Private class for next semester. I usually encourage a lot of students that let us start early. If we start even before the semester commences or even before you pay your school fees, I mean, we would have covered a lot before TMA even start. Not to talk of before exam starts. The reason why we don't do much in exam is because we have not done much. All right, we have not done much in the place of study. All right, so but for next semester, this arrangement is there, and we all can turn up as early as possible. Now, let's take question 6. Now we have dash refers to the transfer of one videotape to another. Dash refers to the transfer is referred to the transfer of one videotape to another. Okay. Does anybody even knows that? Please, if you are behind, because I can see some persons are just responding to questions we've asked about 2 minutes ago. Please, you need to fast forward. Always ensure that you are with us. We are on the same page. So at any point, if the network has been interrupted, you need to move the red lever just below this video forward so we all can be on the same page to avoid answering questions we've asked like 30 seconds ago. All right, so we have dash is referred to as the transfer of one videotape to another. Is anybody helping us with the answer? Okay, yes, wonderful. Dub. Okay, dub is referred to the transfer of one videotape to another. Now we have dash is referred to as a camera platform. Dash referred to a camera platform. Dash is referred to all right, is referred to as a camera platform. Dash is referred to as a camera platform. Okay, thank you for the try. Okay, is everybody else trying? Yes, Dolly. Please and please. These are questions in our materials and they have been selected and arranged the way we can understand them in the keynotes. That's why I said let us get those keynotes. Very essential. All right, so now let's take the next question. Now, what is the full meaning of FM? All right, FM, when it comes to broadcasting, the FM stands for dash. Comes to broadcasting, the acronym FM stands for or represents dash. Okay, so we have that. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much for that. We have the answer as frequency modulation. Frequency modulation. Okay. Now let's take the next question. Now, the abbreviation OC stands for dash. Yes, thank you, Mr. Sheon. Thank you, Miss Bridget. I think you guys are still behind. You need to fast forward this stream to the front so that we all can be on the same page. So I've asked this question now like maybe 5 seconds ago and we are just responding. I think it's just Mr. Jackson on the same page with me. Okay, so please we can double tap the screen to automatically move to the next. Your network is really bad. Yeah, it's a thing of this thing is peculiar with slow, terrible networks. Show you like that. This is Nigeria. What do you expect? So we have OC. Just hoping that our service providers will do better. So we have OC is an acronym for dash. Okay, who's helping us with that? We got Mrs. Ovo now. She's just answering this question that we've asked like 3 minutes ago. Okay. Yes. Okay. Mr. Shem says off camera. Mr. Jackson says on camera. So which one is the correct one? Is it off camera or on camera? Which one is the correct one? Miss Bridget said over camera. Wow, this is 3 different answers now. Everybody just has camera. So we don't know if it's off camera, on camera, over camera. Well, according to what we have in the material, the correct answer is on camera. All right, according to what we have in the material, what we have here, the correct answer is on camera. So we have that as that. On camera. So we have question 10. Okay, Ms. Bridget said sorry on camera. It's okay. Now, dash is the word or words placed on a copy to designate the story. Dash is a word or words. Dash is the word or words placed on a what? Copy to designate the story. So we have that as what? Dash is a word or words placed on a copy to designate the story. I think we'll call it up on question 10 so I can get set for the next revision for other departments. Okay. So thank you very much for that, Mr. Jackson. All right. That's slug. Okay, like I said earlier, this is just a fragment of what we have in the exam keynote, and basically everything we have here is all right. Or let me say, actually, everything we have here is what we have gotten from the keynote, just one or two randomly selected questions. So you get more of these points and particular, all right, exam focused points. You find them all in the keynote, and that's why I recommend it is essential we get it. And thank you very much, everyone. Call it a wrap here for today. I wish all success and all the best in our exam tomorrow. And I look forward to seeing you all in subsequent tutorial. Do you have a wonderful evening? Bye.